Hello everyone, this is Mr. Garrison here. I'm going to show you exactly how to install this Xerox copy machine. So the first thing you're going to do is click on the Start menu. You're going to go to Devices and Printer. After you click on Devices and Printer, give it a second to load up. You want to click on Add a Printer. Click on Add a Printer. You have two options: add a local printer or add a network, wireless, or Bluetooth printer. You want to click on the second one, add a network, wireless, or Bluetooth printer. Now, when I look over there, the first thing you're going to do, don't even bother looking. You're going to go ahead and click on the printer that I want isn't listed. When you click on that, what you need to do, you're going to go ahead and enter the following: / JBAYN print 2. And then /. So once you do that, then afterwards, you'll see options pop up. So you're going to click on the JBAYN, follow me printing. After you do so, you're going to go ahead and click on next. You'll see that the installation will begin. So you just calmly wait for it to happen. So we just wait for it. Normally takes about maybe 2-3 minutes at the most. Taking a little bit longer. It's an older PC, but it's all good. It says looking for the driver. You'll see shortly it's going to say installing the driver. So the thing about this is that this will allow you to go ahead and print directly onto the Xerox machine. It's downloading the driver now. There we go. So like I said, it takes a couple of minutes, but trust me, it does work. Finishing the installation. That's good. Perfect. So as finished installation, let me emphasize that it's very important that you do make sure that you set this as the default printer. So that way you can print directly to the copy machine without any problem. So it says you have successfully added the Follow Me Printer John Main Print 2. And as you see right at the bottom, it says printer has been installed with a Xerox. It's a new machine. Auto-link C8045 PS driver. Perfect. So you can go ahead and test the page if you want to, or just finish up. Either way, whatever suits your fancy. So you see right here, like I said, I just want to double check to make sure this is the default printer. Yep, set as default printer. And just like that, you can go ahead and begin using. Hopefully this tutorial has been helpful. I will also send out the directions by email, as well as if you have any problems, additional concerns, you can definitely come and reach out to me. Thank you so much.